We are at this
And we'll meet you down just in that hallway.
vintage. This is the oldest Montgomery elevator I've ever been on. I'll get a cab view. Here we go. It says Montgomery. Thank you, sir.
No, you're fine.
Can I?
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
fit?
We can't do more than 3.
Oh,
Sorry.
bye. Yay, she's gone.
Be nice.
And I tried my best.
All right, you guys ready?
Oh, dude.
Yes. And we're actually going to come out behind you so you can turn yourself around.
Is it possible to get a quick video of a quick round trip?
I'll look at the time and see.
Yeah, sure. I don't want to, of course, time it.
So where are we now?
So we're on the first floor. If you come through here. Oh, cool. You can take a peek.
Mom, you told us.
Oh, sorry. We've been given permission to take another round trip on this. I mean, whoever's welcome to come, I guess, as long as we're under the weight limit.
It's a horse.
Are you guys both riding?
For sure we are.
Sounds like it.
We're doing one.
And I guess up and back.
Yep.
All right.
There's a basement you can go to?
Yeah, there's a basement and then third floor as well.
Jeez, these people were rich.
Definitely.
It's just crazy to be in a piece of history right now.
This is one of the oldest I've been in.
The oldest you've been in? Was
One
the
of the oldest.
There we go.
You can like feel it move. Or you can. That's just crazy.
Pretty smooth though, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's not like as you'd think. Like it's not like.
Yeah, it's
Especially
not
for
fancy or
AC.
anything.
Yeah.
I actually think looks like these gates were added in,
Yes.
and it looks like they might have had a different. Oh no, they cut that out for the. All right. Oh, quickly, I'm gonna just get a shot while I'm recording. Here is the panel.
What's in here?
Look at that. Very neat.
You're not alone.
All right. Should I close the door of the elevator?
She'll get it.
Okay. That's it.